Hi there, Crafty Peeps. Enis here from Paper Crafting with Enis, and I am super excited today to share some things that I got. And yes, I'm going to do a couple design projects for Decorate Your Life. And what happened was, in early January, Jenny from Craft Creations, who I believe is on the design team for Decorate Your Life, had put out a notification that they were looking for some people to help out do some projects. And I thought that would be super, super fun because I love the papers that I get from Decorate Your Life. I think Sandi does an awesome job in designing these. And I was like, yeah, let's apply and see what happens. So they did get back in contact with me and accepted me. So I was able to choose a couple of collections, which I'm going to share in just a minute here. And yeah, so I'm really, really excited about this. So I'm sharing Sandi's coupon code, SANDI10, and you can use that code when you check out if you place an order to get 10% off your entire purchase. So this was the cute little thank you note she sent me. Thank you for supporting my small business. And this is a really cute little card she sent. But anyway, let's get into the package of goodies she sent me. So she did include a package here. It looks like double-sided score tape. So that'll be quite useful in my projects. And then she sent me this little package of flat back pearls. And look here, we've got pearls with little pearl design going around. We have a variety of colors. There's some shimmery ones. Actually, let me just take it out of the package really quick so you can see that. So give me a second to get this open. Yeah, I wasn't expecting any of these extra little things. I just thought I was getting the paper. So this gives me something else to work with. Okay, so you can see a little bit of the things there. We've got a little diamond one there. There's pink. There's light pink. There's some pink with a little bit of blue on them. You got these larger pearls with the little pearls going around. So there's lots of fun stuff in there. So thank you very much for that. And then she sent me this little package of satin bows. Get a few of those out. So here they are. We've got purple and pink and blue, and there's some white in the package there. So those will be fun to work with. And then she sent me 3 paper collections. So I'm just going to pull one out at a time. Okay, so the first pack that I'm going to show you is this absolutely beautiful shabby pack. It's called Be My Valentine. These are 8 1/4 by 8 1/4 size sheets. You get 9 designs, 2 of each design, so you get 18 altogether. It is lignin and acid free, so perfect for scrapbooking projects. So let's get in here and take a peek at this gorgeous paper collection. So of course, you know, you always get your top sheet here that has all the beautiful designs, all printed in mini version, and these are perfect for using as cut-aparts if you wanted to do that. So those are really cute. And as I mentioned before, you get 2 of each. So we'll start out here with this beautiful floral archway. And look at all those gorgeous roses in there. So, so pretty. And then these little fluffy things here, I'm not really sure what they're called, but they sure are pretty and opulent looking. And the archway is set off with these beautiful little vases here. So pretty. And you'll see in the background, there is a smoky-like pattern that runs through the background, and it has little music notes on it. So I'm going to call those love notes. So that's the first design. And then the second one is really, really pretty. You've got this gorgeous tree. Kind of looks like a Christmas tree, but this is Valentine's, remember? We've got the beautiful flowers, the roses, and it's got little bows all throughout. It's topped off with this pretty little heart here. So nice. Little table here all set for the romantic evening. You've got another vase of the beautiful flowers. You've got candles burning there. You have a couple little cupcakes here and some champagne just chilling and waiting for the hubby to come home. You've got little love notes and a Valentine gift, some cushions to sit on, and then look here, you've even got some little wall decorations. And I think this is cool. She thought of everything. We have candles here. We have a little diffuser for a little scent going on, and more floral clusters. Just so pretty. And I do think that all of these pages have that really pretty smoky design running through it with the notes. But here's a nice all-over pattern. You've got these gorgeous floral clusters or bouquets, and then you have the Valentine's gifts there with the ribbon and another rose on the top. So pretty. And then this one is gorgeous. Look at that corner. Just so pretty. The roses, the love note letter, and the little heart there. And I love the peak of the greenery sticking out. And look at this gorgeous corner. This would be beautiful in a mini album. Just beautiful. Love, love, love. And here's a page after my own heart because I am a green girl. And I love this color green here on this beautiful overstuffed chair. You got the pretty rose cushion there. A little throw to keep you warm while you're waiting for your sweetie to come home. You got the beautiful little table and some more roses. Once again, we've got the candles and the champagne. And look at this one. We've even got a little slice of cake there and another little cupcake. And then it's topped off with these beautiful floral clusters up here. So that is so, so pretty. And then this one has the all-over rose pattern. I'll give you a little bit of a close-up on those. And another gorgeous little corner design. More of those fluffy, they almost look like fluffy tails. And a big basket here with the roses tumbling out. Just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Love it. So glad I selected this paper collection. And look at these. You've got stacks of love notes. So pretty with the cabbage roses. Love this paper and the colors. Just gorgeous. Here's your all-over rose design. Once again, you got those cute little roses there. And the smoky background with the little love notes in there. So pretty. And then here is your background page. So you can really see the smoky look to it now. So that is the Be My Valentine collection. And I think it's either similar or also known as Shabby Chic Pink. So look for either of those names if you're interested in this pack of paper. So that is Be My Valentine. And then these two packs are both whimsical Valentine papers, and I did ask for these two to design with because they kind of coordinate together. But we will start out with Sweet Bliss, and this is once again an 8 1/4 by an 8 1/4 size paper, designed by Sandi at Decorate Your Life. It is the 65-pound cardstock. You get 7 designs and 14 pages altogether. So you're obviously getting 2 of each design. So let's get in there. Look at. Okay, you got me at the kitty. So, so cute. Okay, let's get this gorgeous paper out. Okay. So, once again, this is Sweet Bliss. And as I mentioned earlier, you always get a sneak peek at all the designs on the cover page. And you can cut these out for cut-aparts. Look at how adorable those little raccoons are. You got a little boy, and look at the little hearts popping off of his head. And the little girl there, so, so sweet. And I think you could use this part here as a washi strip if you wanted to. And then we've got the hot air balloon, which we will look at in detail in just a second. So here is the first sheet, which is an all-over yummy goodie page. And the background is a very pale blue. So this looks like basically a pink, blue, and brown collection. You've got candies and cupcakes and pretzels and candy strings. Just a really, really cute all-over design. Oh, and look at this. These look like balloons, only without strings. They're so, so cute, though. Look how pretty they are with the pinks and browns and the off-white in the background. Lovely. Oh, and here's the little raccoon. This is what I have to say. He's floating his way to his sweetie. Look at how cute he is. I'll give you a close-up. And he's floating over a field of heart flowers. You've got all these little bubbles floating around and the cute little sunshine there. Very, very adorable paper page. Love that. And speaking of love, check this one out. This one has a pale yellow background with the beautiful balloons shaped like hearts, and then you've got floaty letters there that spell love. You've got this beautiful little heart banner and sprinkles all throughout. So, so cute. Adorable. And how about this one? A pale yellow background with the beautiful little hearts with all the different patterns on them. Some little squigglies and some more of the sprinkles on there. So that's really, really cute. Aw, look at this one. His balloon landed. He finally found his sweetie there. And their little hearts popping up. You got little gold dots in the background here. And they're in that field with all of the heart flowers. So cute. So cute. Love her little bow and her pink dress. Oh, and then this is the last page, and this one has the little baby. He's in his little baby jammies, and he's up in the tree on his pillow there. There's really pretty watercolor looking tree here. You've got the moon and some stars floating around, and then the little sprinkles of candy everywhere. So that is Sweet Bliss. Very, very cute. And here's the pack that I got to use as a companion. This one's called Country Luvin. Once again, it's 8.25 by 8.25, 65-pound cardstock, and you get 7 designs, 14 sheets altogether. Let's take a peek at this one. And this one has a different sticker on it. Look at that cute little camera there. Love it, snap it, share it. That's what I'm doing today. Oh my gosh. This is going to be so fun to work with these. Oh, look at this. So pretty. This one kind of has that country look to it. And it is called Country Luvin after all. So, and you'll see some similarities in here to the Sweet Bliss collection. This one's got buttons and lollipop hearts. So let's get into it. Oh, wow. Look at the blue on here. So cute. These little prim style hearts. Actually heart wands. I guess those are heart wands. Look at this one with the stripes on it. Polka dots. This one's got the blanket stitch going around. We've got a check and another stripe. Then on the top here, this almost looks like a banner. I love how it tops off this page. So, so cute. I have an idea what I'm using these papers for, so I hope my idea works out really well. And then we've got these cute buttons here in a variety of colors. We got pink and blue and like a light tan there, and it's all on a cream color background. So cute. This one's adorable. Love the gingham hearts, and these are kind of like, I would say they're like satin hearts with the little lines on them like that. And it is on an ombre green page. It starts out like a light green and it gets lighter and lighter and lighter. So that's really cute. Love that. We have another button page here. So this collection is cute as a button. Look at that. We've got pink and beige buttons on a blue ombre. You see how that blue just kind of goes up there? Very cute. Oh, I love this page. Look at that. We've got the buttons and the heart wands, and we've got little hearts floating around. And this one is on a pink ombre page. Very cute. Love that. And then here's a similar one, only larger, and no wands on them. But look at these. I love the striped one here. And these have the little buttons throughout. This was a really cute one with the polka dots on it. Very cute. Love it. And the last page is this gorgeous all over heart pattern. And they kind of look like those, almost like ice cream cones. With this being the cone and that being the ice cream there, they're very cute. And this one has an ombre beige color background. I don't know if it's picking up on the camera, but it starts out light, or it gets lighter as it goes up the page. So yeah, those are the paper collections that I'm going to be playing with for Sandi at Decorate Your Life. We have Country Luvin. We have a Sweet Bliss. And those two collections are so adorable. And then we have this absolutely beautiful Be My Valentine. So I will put links in the description box below to all three of these products. And I will also put a note in there about Sandi's discount code. So if you decide to shop, you can save 10% off your order. Yeah, so I will put a link in the description box below to Decorate Your Life's website, Sandi's channel on YouTube, and to each of these three products here. And don't forget the 10% off discount code, Sandi10, 10% off your whole order. And be sure to come back and check out the projects that I'm going to be doing with these. I already have some things in mind that I'm going to do. Yeah, I can't wait to get started. I think they're gorgeous paper collections. So fun. Love them all. And I want to thank Sandi and Jenny for giving me an opportunity to do these projects for you. I hope that I don't disappoint you and that you'll be really happy with the projects that I come up with. I want to thank all of my subscribers out there who have spent the time with me today to check out this unboxing, and I hope you will come back to see the projects that I do make. And if you're not one of my subscribers, I would love it if you would click the subscribe button and then hit the bell so that you get notified every time I post a new video. I'm sure you want to come back and check out the projects I'm going to be making with these gorgeous paper collections. And yeah, so that's what I've got for you today. I appreciate everybody for stopping by and spending time with me, and I'll catch you on the next crafty video. See you later, Crafty Peeps. Bye.